Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To fix Python on Git Bash in Windows 10, you may encounter issues related to the path environment variable or the Python installation itself. Here is a tutorial to help you resolve any potential issues. 1. Check Python installation. First, ensure that Python is correctly installed on your Windows 10 system. You can verify this by opening a command prompt and running Python version or Python 3 version to see if Python is recognized. If not, you may need to reinstall Python from the official Python website. 2. Update path environment variable. Git Bash may not recognize the Python executable if it is not included in the path environment variable. To fix this, you can add the Python installation directory to your path. Find the Python installation directory, example C \Python 39. Right-click on the Start menu, select System, then click on Advanced System Settings. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab and click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, find the path variable and click Edit. Add the Python installation directory to the list of paths, example C \Python 39. Click OK on all windows to save the changes. 3. Restart Git Bash. Close and reopen Git Bash to ensure that the changes to the path variable take effect. 4. Test Python in Git Bash. Run Python version or Python 3 version in Git Bash to check if Python is now recognized without any errors. Here is an example of testing Python in Git Bash after fixing the installation and path issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Python on Git Bash in Windows 10 and use Python seamlessly within the Git Bash terminal.